So the Stewarts Medico-Legal Expert Day today is meant to be an introduction mainly to new experts to give them some insights into the ups and downs of working within litigation. What I hope there'll be lots of messages about what not to do and where things can go wrong and the importance of planning, but I also hope that the experts get out of the day that it actually can be an incredibly rewarding experience, highly engaging, academically challenging sometimes, but also something that can feed into their own daily clinical practice and improve things. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes out today.
So today we've covered the litigation process. So from a medico-legal perspective, where does your report come in the litigation journey? So we've gone through pre-action protocol, how that's different in medical negligence cases and PI, for example. And then we've taken you through all of the litigation steps, when you can expect to be contacted by your lawyers after you've produced your first report. And then what happens behind the scenes, really, until you get to those important milestones of a case of your evidence being served, conferences with barristers, the expert joint meetings, which my colleagues have covered, and then the pre-trial settlement meetings, and the trial itself, which we've talked about actually being very rare.
I had a great day today. It was really interesting, lots of very interesting speakers. One thing I'm going to be taking from this is the importance of staying completely impartial, and it's your opinion. It's not up to you. It's up to the court to determine the facts.
So thank you to everyone who's joined us today, and we look forward to seeing you at our next medico-legal conference in Leeds.